Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can actually buy and sell Nigerian stocks with very little amount of money. And when I mean little amount of money, I didn't just mean about 500 naira, $1. I basically mean as low as just 1 naira. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's hop properly into today's tutorial. So the platform we're going to be using in today's tutorial is going to be Wealth.ng. So basically you want to go to the site Wealth.ng and then you want to create an account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it real time. So first things first, you want to click on sign up, okay? And then immediately you click on sign up, you basically just want to insert all the requirements over here. So I'm just going to write cash and then and then your phone number. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in any other country, you basically also want to insert your country and your number. Okay, so I'm just going to insert my number and then your email, okay, and a password, a very good password, okay. And then immediately after that, you basically want to click on by signing up. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then you click on sign up. Okay, as you can see, redirection please, and you're basically good to go. So as you can see now, we're inside the platform Wealth.ng. So basically Wealth.ng is just like an intermediary between you and Nigerian companies. So you're basically using Wealth.ng to be able to get part of a company. Okay, when I mean shares or stocks of a company, you're basically saying you want to own part of that company. So now with the use of Wealth.ng, you have direct access to own parts of several companies in Nigeria. As you can see, this is the home. We have the marketplace where you basically can view all companies in Nigeria, as you can see over here. And then you have my portfolio, which is basically your personal area that's going to be showing you stocks and all that things. And then you have my transactions, where you can basically look at your history of what you've sold and what you've bought as well. So immediately after you've entered like this, you basically want to come over here to this human icon. You want to set up your profile, okay? Want to click over here and then profile and settings. Okay, you can basically do this online or just download the app Wealth.ng on Play Store or App Store. So now you want to insert your profile, your middle name. Okay, so I'm just going to insert my middle name, and then you want to insert your birth date as well, your gender, your nationality, state of origin, okay, your occupation. Okay, I can just go for these, and then you want to upload your means of identification. And now immediately after you've uploaded that, you basically want to come to contact info as well. Okay, so in your contact info, you basically want to insert your mobile number, your home address, country of residence, state of residence, your email address, and proof of address. And you basically want to update as well. And now moving to the three most important parts of this Wealth.ng is going to be financials, payment, and password and security. We're talking about something that deals with money investment. You basically want to secure it properly. Okay, and then before that, let's go into our financials. Okay, so you basically want to insert your BVN over here. If you don't know your BVN, you basically want to dial *565#. Okay, and then to set your default currency. Okay, if you're in Nigeria like I am, I can just leave mine in naira, or you want to change it to other currencies like dollars, euros, whichever. And then you want to set your withdrawal limits, and you want to also set your maximum daily cumulative amount. And then you can see your current income. You basically want to insert, okay, I earn 50,000 per month, I earn 100,000 or 500,000 per month, whichever. And then your risk appetite, you're basically showing wealth, how you actually carry out your own personal financial activities. Okay, and then how do you want to receive returns or dividends? Dividends are basically returns from companies. Okay, probably a company is gaining and the company just want to give out, certain amount of money to their shareholders. So they basically give out dividends or returns. So how do you want to receive your dividends? Do you want to reinvest it? Do you want to send it to your bank account, or you want to have it here in your wallet? So whichever one you basically want to select, and then you want to update it. Okay, and then the next one is going to be payment over here. So basically, payment is just setting up your, bank account details. In case of you saying you want to, receive the money in your bank account, so you can easily just select the account. So Wealth can actually send the money to you directly. And then password and security. This is basically where you want to insert your new password if you want to change it. And then you can also enable two-factor authentication, which is very, very important as well. So basically, these are the next things you want to set up after you actually log in. So I'm going to switch into my main account so I can explain things better for you guys in a bit. Okay, so basically, let's go to the marketplace. This is where all the activities, is being carried out. So basically, this is how it works. You want to come to stocks over here. You can see WAPIC, Jay's Bank, different companies in Nigeria. And then you can see this green, percentage icon. You can see this red percentage icon. Green basically means, gaining or stagnant. And, red basically means it is actually going down. Okay. The unit price of the, company is actually dropping. Okay. So basically, as for me personally, I do go for certain companies like MTN, like Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, Lafarge Cement. These are basically companies that I do know that do gain most of the time. Okay, for example, let's say I want to own a piece of Dangote Sugar. I can basically just click on add to cart over here, and then as you can see, the Nigerian stock exchanges opening hours are between 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Monday to Fridays. So basically, whatever you want to buy or whatever you want to sell, it is within this period of time that you can actually get what you actually require. Okay, so basically you just want to click on continue. You can just set things up before that time. Okay, so let's say I want to buy just 1 unit. So as you can see, we can see 1 unit for Dangote Sugar is basically 23 naira, just 23 naira. So you can actually add more if you want. Probably you want 12, you want 123, you want 34, shares. It all depends on you. The higher the shares you own, the higher the dividend you receive. So basically, that's the main idea. So I'm going to switch into my main account so I can just show you guys some bits of example of what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm in my account right now. So immediately I go to my portfolio. Okay, you're basically going to be seeing your net worth at the top, and then your cash balance, which is basically your wallet in Wealth.ng, and then you have your stocks over here. So just a quick example of what I am talking about. You can see MTN over here. I have 195 unit. It all depends on you. You can have more. And the cost unit, as at the time I purchased it, was around 243.53, and then now the current price is around 274. So basically, this was the amount as at that time, and now you can see the value cost of the increase. So basically, if you're someone that just want to get the money immediately, you basically just want to come over here to trade, and then you basically want to sell this. Okay, so you basically want to sell it, and like I said earlier on, it's always between Monday to Fridays 10 a.m. to 2:20 p.m. that you'll be able to have the stock marketers around so they can actually buy it from you. So basically, you just want to click on continue, and then you want to click on yes sell. Okay, but I'm not selling right now. Okay, so basically that's what you want to do, and then immediately the stock market opens, you're basically gonna get your money because they're gonna actually buy it from you. Okay, so that's basically how it works. You can see we have Dangote Sugar over here, GT Bank, and the rest. So this is basically the idea. You use Wealth.ng as an intermediary between you and other Nigerian companies, and then you buy from them. You buy shares from different companies, and immediately this company is actually gaining or losing, whichever. Either way, you basically gain or you lose. But like I said earlier on, you basically want to go for companies that would definitely be gaining, or companies that are well known of gaining profits. Okay, so that's the main idea. You buy and then you sell back to the stock market after the increase in the share. And in addition to the stock exchange and all the things in Wealth.ng, you also have the fixed income bestsellers. Fixed income bestsellers basically is another, type of investment that deals with putting your money probably with the government, investing your money with the government, letting the government use your money to carry out certain things in certain states, and then probably in the next 1 year or 2 years, you basically receive an increase, certain percent increase in that amount of money. Okay, so that's basically how Wealth.ng actually works, and I think you all should actually try it out if you're someone who hasn't even started it, because with very little amount of money you can actually get started. You can actually become an investor. As you can see, Jay's Bank, just 1 unit is about 1.74 Naira, Sterling Bank 1.75, Honey Flour 3.25 Naira. Very, very little amount of money. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also drop a like on today's video, and if possible, ask certain questions or drop comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.